been summoned, so there was no need of being followed.
But on
you are just supposed to come.
They even took the car. They confiscated. They took even her car.
She opened
I don't know about that.
late. She opened the phone late. So supposedly she didn't come the day she was supposed to come. So mkituma gari kwa sababu hajashika
Gani hiyo Gutuma?
Hiyo mnatuma tu.
Lakini si gari yake ilishikwa na ikapelekwa mpaka court. Who knows?
Next steps.
You were supposed to call. Maybe I don't know. Can you check your phone? You wanted to talk to me.
I don't know.
Is this the phone number?
I don't have it here.
Just
Where is your phone?
Okay, maybe you can call with any other phone.
Let me give me the number. 07
074 053 308.
308.
Yes, no, just call again.
Maybe network.
Just talk to him right away.
And this offense, where is it alleged to have occurred from?
I think it is concerning the other hand.
Where?
This thing that's all over the media.
So where was she? Where did she make the arrest from?
Okay, I think the one to answer those questions. I'm not in the page.
But it is booked in the OB. But it happened
But it was booked
in
here.
Tumaini.
Tumaini or Kalau.
It's recorded in the OB.
So it's okay. If that's the place, it's okay.
So why
Then why is someone here?
Okay, maybe he was allocated the case.
Hey, Officer Pascal. Yangu ni mheshimiwa wakili Edward Mureu.
Yes, bwana Mureu.
Habari ya masiku bwana.
Salama sana.
Tumetembea kijiji kuomba chai papa.
Karibuni sana, lakini sasa mnakuja wakati hatuko kwa boma. Kuna kesi nyingine ya shamba huko mahali kunaitwa Magogo. Karibu kwa party wanang'ang'ania sasa mpaka fulani na tunaona kama hizo inaenda out of control. So we have to go there, we have to come here. Up to the security committee. So we are all of us here.
Okay. All right. So our
mheshimiwa nilikuwa nimeongea naye nikamwambia when he was calling me.
Yes.
Nikamwambia will get back to her ama informa when she will come already was overtaken by time. Nikamwambia I will get another someone after we have agreed when she will come.
Okay.
We are now here.
Now, since
So now I've heard that you are to allow you again came to Miharati. Sorry for any inconvenience. But again, I think we need to get. Maybe we agree. What?
we know two things. Number one, we decided since this crime is happened in Kalau. And that's where your bosses or the regional boss sits. We decided to start from the top. But when we went there, your boss, Mr. Wambogo, told us he is not aware about that matter. But we said since we are here, let's come to the source. So at least maybe we can also see. Otherwise, if we confirm that the matter is alive and he's aware about it, we would have finished over there. But now here we are. Now, our only biggest concern is the harassment of this member of parliament. For example, last weekend on Thika Road, he deliberately left his phone and everything in his car, and then his car was intercepted by some Subarus, and it was taken to the DCI. All right.
You can go back to your same sentiment that you are talking about jurisdiction. You see, all of us agree, even as police work with jurisdiction. If interception was done at Nairobi,
Uh-huh.
he ought to have reported to the nearest either police station or the DCI.
But the people who arrested his driver, they said the same thing. We were looking for the Mheshimiwa. So what my point here is, as you plan the day when you want us to be or to come over here, we wanted him to be given a cash bail. So at least again, he has brought himself here. She's a law-abiding citizen, and whatever time and date. Furthermore, she's a local member of parliament, elected by the people, so she cannot run away from the people. So we wanted us to get a cash bail so at least can be able to plan her day, and then you let us know whichever day you want us to come. We will bring her, and then whatever charges you want to prefer, we are ready for it.
Okay, we only give cash bail when we have made up our mind that we are taking somebody to court. Yeah?
Okay.
So at this time we are still inquiring for doing investigation in relation to the matter. So as it is, in fact, I was just to call her and she gives me her version of the story. And then we continue with the investigation, and then after we go
Pascal, my name is Ndegwa, eh?
Yes?
My name is Ndegwa at Wakili.
Yes, Wakili, someone is here.
From where we stand, either now or in the future, in respect to the content contained in your sermons, we may not have anything useful to tell you, so that you don't have to bother giving us a date in the future, because we'll still not have anything to tell you. We'll just come and tell you that we are exercising our right to remain silent. It would be expedient for you to make the necessary decision in respect to that matter, so that then we're able to deal with it away from police intimidation. So that then if you are taking us to court, we are then able to know that we are dealing with it from the court.
Say it's right, eh?
Yes, because
your client has the right of remaining silent even if you call her.
So just call us the day you are taking us to court.
But basically it is our duty to also summon her in relation to any investigation that we are undertaking.
Yeah, but you are not obliged to.
As it is, let us agree on a date that we meet with her.
But we have told
purpose?
you, he has nothing to tell you.
For what purpose should we meet you?
Yeah, he's not going to give any. I mean, he has a right to remain silent.
Yes.
And she is. If that Wanjiku tell her as much.
Yeah.
Even if you come tomorrow.
Why are you coming? We will not.
They are not going to. There is nothing to what you want to say.
Yes.
Mheshimiwa,
But when?
tell us much.
Let's hear them. We are available. Let's hear
In any case,
come
we are
and
here,
say.
the officers, his officers are here. What
Tell
is
us
so
the date to go
difficult?
to
Tell her the date we
Yeah,
come.
tell us to go to
She
court.
says that.
I mean, it's nonsensical to tell us.
Just a minute. Pascal.
All of us.
No, Pascal. Yeah.
Let us agree with you.
Sawa. So Pascal. So the request was you just issue a notice.
A notice to attend court.
Yeah. This is still Wakili Kirago. So just give us a notice to attend court. Just give us notice to attend court. Someone to attend court. Let us go to court. So that because coming here will not change anything, will not record a statement, will not be useful. So just issue the summons to attend court. Give us a court date. Then we can be extending that one if need be.
They can also put.
This is Mheshimiwa's number.
Wanjiku or Mheshimiwa Wakili.
Okay, Muro, yes.
Now, this is your contact number.
Yeah, this is my only number. I don't have any other. Okay.
And I will still issue someone's, because at first the summons were not delivered to her in time because she did not receive my calls when I called her.
But you're not even near for her to answer the summons. You're in Eldoret.
I'm still doing official duties, and I've told you, I told her when I'll be in office, we'll agree with her when she will come, so that she doesn't find me away or out of the office, and also at her convenience, so that we all of us meet and discuss on the issues that are at hand.
Okay. Maybe we cannot maybe direct you what to do, how to go about your job. But maybe the only middle point we can be able to meet is on the point that even if you summon her, she will come, she waste your time, and you bring her, and she'll have nothing to say. But nevertheless, since again she's my instructing client, she would like to be able to say Jambo, and then we close this matter, and then you can proceed with your investigation. Is that okay, Pascal?
Now, can we agree on the day I should give someone? Will you come tomorrow?
Of course, it's not possible. We come here. Okay, just hold on. Wanjiku,
I think we can come.
No, Mawakiri,
Okay.
we are here.
all right.
It's an office.
All right. Very well. Very
It is an
well.
office.
Pascal,
And it's totally
I
nothing.
mean, there's an office. There's an office.
tomorrow what time?
No.
Tomorrow at
10 o'clock.
Just be wasting your time.
We'll be here.
now, we agree. That is now complying to the summons that we have synchronized time.
Yes.
She never responded to the other summons, but now this one, I'll still do an official one and send it to her and also you.
Very good. Send a copy. We shall be here tomorrow at 10 o'clock.
But now we are in agreement.
Very well. You want to say something to him?
Yeah, you can say.
Hold on. You just have some say what with Mashmo. Just
Pascal,
Yes, we are.
in spite of you having said you will reschedule, though I had